To create curbs, you're going to go into your site plan, your masking and site, create a toposolid, and I'm going to make the outline of my parking lot first. So I'm going to wrap my curbs around my sidewalk first. So I'm going to do pick lines and wrap my curbs around there. And then from there, I'm going to make the shape of my parking lot. Your parking lot needs to take up roughly 2/3, and I'm going to show you kind of why I am offsetting here, or doing those diagonal lines. And I'm going to come up here. I'm going to go up a little bit more. So anywhere a car makes a turn, you are going to have to curve it. So I'll show you that. So I need my parking lot to take up about 2/3. So there's my general shape. Now I can go back in and curve things more with my start end radius. So start, end, and then radius. And I can delete that line. Do the same thing over here. So this is a sharper one. Start, end, radius. So anywhere a car is going to make a turn, you got to give it a nice curve. So I don't really love this one, so I might kind of redo that. I'm going to back this up a little bit and do a start and radius. Much better. All right, so now I need to offset. Now that I have like my perimeter, I need to offset this 8 inches thick to make my curves 8 inches thick. So I'm going to do my offset tool. I'm going to do 8 inches. And what's cool is when you have a complete shape, if you get close and hit tab, let's see if this is going to work. It worked the other day for me. There. So I got close to that line, and it only wants to do one line at a time, which is fine. You can do that, but I'm going to Control Z. If I get close to the line and I hit tab, it actually highlights all of your lines, and then you can click towards the inside. And now I have a curb that wraps around my sidewalk and everywhere. And then I have to just clean it up over here. So I'm going to extend this out. I don't need this line anymore. You can use your corner tool to make a nice pretty corner, because it just needs to connect to the road out here. So I'm going to do my line tool and connect that so it's one continuous shape. This is a little too far away, so I'm going to actually use my move tool here and move it a little bit closer into that road so I can connect to that road. And now this looks good. I can hit my green check mark. You can then change that to be whatever material you need to be. Curbs, you can duplicate, rename, change the material, and you can do the offset height here.